What's up, online shoppers? You know that minute when the crumbs drop on the floor, or you turn around and all the dryer lint is all over the floor and you just want to scream? And the thought of dragging out a heavy vacuum and you really just want to pick up something that's light, easy, and powerful enough to clean up your messes in a snap? That's exactly why I picked up the Bissell PowerClean. When I'm cleaning spots, my stairs, the entryway at the front and back door that is fully clogged with sand and dirt all the time, I use this little PowerClean and it does a spick and span job of getting everything clean. So this is the Bissell PowerClean 200 watt stick vacuum. Cordless, it weighs less than 10 pounds, rechargeable, and yes, I do get 40 minutes of runtime on this. Hands down, one of the most convenient vacuums I've ever used. Not to mention the fact that it's actually like having 3 vacuums in one. And this little power vac actually works really well. It picks up everything from spilled cereal to dirt and dust at the front and back door and anything else you can imagine. Now let's do a deep dive into why I love this vacuum for all my little quick cleanup jobs. I want to show you some of the great features of this vacuum cleaner. See how it can lay flat like this? Well, that makes it the ideal design for getting underneath the edges of all my furniture. The suction strength on this little vacuum cleaner is genuinely impressive for a cordless stick vacuum. I also really appreciate the design of this vacuum cleaner because it allows me to get underneath the couches and all the edges of my furniture. The Tangle-Free brush roll is real. Plus the LED light at the front, I did not think I would care about that, but I can't clean without it. As a matter of fact, I love cleaning with the lights off because the light on the front of the power head of the vacuum, it definitely shines on all the dust and dirt on the floor, allowing me to see it and clean it up more efficiently. No more missed spots with this awesome little power head. And another bonus, I love the foot lever that allows me to easily change between the different attachments with ease. Cleaning the power head is really easy. All you have to do is push down on this little lever that releases this arm. The power head comes out really easy. Now you can see there's a little bit of twisted hair here. All you have to do is remove it as easy as 1, 2, 3, and you can see that no hair tangles on this brush. Adding it back in, really easy. I actually appreciate how easy it is to take this in and out and clean the machine. Now, as far as battery life and flexibility goes, I usually get somewhere between 35 and 40 minutes of runtime. Now, there is a trick with runtime. 3 different settings. Eco, which is where you're gonna get your 40 minutes. Medium, which is where you're gonna get about 20 minutes of runtime. And then it has Turbo Boost. Now, Turbo Boost is for extreme deep cleaning. Now, removing the battery is really easy. 2 little buttons right here help to release it. And then if you want to charge it, you have 2 different options. Now, like that, and then plug it into the wall so that you have a really nice, quick, easy charge on your battery. Now, your other option for charging is to put the vacuum cleaner on the mounting bracket. Then you would plug in your cord to the wall and then mount this on the wall so you have the convenience of having your vacuum charging right here if you need it. Turning the vacuum on and on is really easy. The power button not only controls turning the vacuum on, but allows you to choose the different levels. Now, it defaults to medium suction, so right away, I always turn it down to low or eco. That's gonna allow me to get my 40 minutes of runtime. If I want to do something a little bit more intense, I do move it up to medium. If I wanna do something intense, like the carpets at my front and back door, I will turn on the Turbo Boost to really pick up all the dirt, dust, and sand that gets ingrained into the rugs. It's also super lightweight, 7 pounds lightweight, so I can carry it up and down the stairs or switch to a handheld mode for couch cushions in seconds. And you ask, the one thing I didn't expect to love this much? Well, the self-standing design. I can literally stop mid-clean, take a call, move a chair, and it just stands there. No wall hook, no awkward balancing, and no, I don't have to lay my vacuum down, only to have to bend over and pick it up when I'm ready to start vacuuming again. The sealed filtration system is a nice touch too, especially for anyone who is sensitive to dust. Emptying the bin is quick and clean. I also use the crevice tool and dusting brush a lot more than I I thought I would. It's super handy for baseboards and bookshelf tops. So the verdict is I am definitely keeping this vacuum. If you're looking for a vacuum that's cordless, lightweight, and easy to store, again, this one is awesome. So why would you skip this vacuum cleaner? Basically, if you're looking for something to deep clean thick carpets or high traffic area all the time, you're probably going to want to opt for a more industrial strength, longer battery life vacuum. But for those everyday cleanup jobs, this is absolutely an ideal fit. For the price point where you can purchase this vacuum cleaner, it definitely does pull its weight. Honestly, I never expected this to become my go-to vacuum cleaner, but now that I have it, I will never go back. And if you're looking for a powerful, versatile, cordless 3-in-1 stick vacuum that does a ton of different stuff and delivers on all of the categories that we talked about, this one here from Bissell is definitely a family favorite at our house.